how do I nest a composition within a composition in Adobe After Effects? What this means is you are able to create a series of special effects within a certain composition, then take that composition over into another composition so you can use it. It's easier if I just show you what I'm talking about. I have this little radar dish that I plan to apply lightning and radio waves coming out of it at the same time. But I don't want to start getting all my special effects on the exact same layer of my composition with my dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new composition, just by default, and then in Composition 2, I am going to right-click and create a new solid, and I'll just do that by default also, and go over here to radio waves, like so, radio waves, and throw that on here, and start moving this about so I can actually see my radio waves coming out. And I'm going to create another new solid, and I'm going to put lightning on this one. So type in lightning and just scroll down here to the bottom. Let's see. There we go. Advanced lightning. And there we go. Now we have lightning and radio waves coming for this special effect. Now what I can do is come back over to my project. You notice I have Comp 1 and Comp 2, which I just created, and drop down to Comp 1. I can grab Comp 2 and just simply drop it in my scene. Now you'll notice in the background I have my lightning, and if I scroll, I also have radio waves. So if I just simply move this above it, you can see right on top of it, we have radio waves and the lightning within my scene. Now if I need to, I could jump back over to Composition 2 and simply just start adjusting all of this so I can have different effects. So with that, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video.